Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to convert ETH to USDT. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the navbar right here. Next to market, you will see the trade button right here. Simply hover over it. And right here, you can see something called as convert. That says zero fees, no slippage. Click on it. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this section. From here, you can simply select your tokens. As you can see, currently it is in USDT to BGP. In the from section, I want the ETH, and in the to section, I want the USDT. In order to do that, simply click on the drop down associated right here and select the token. Well, I'm gonna select ETH right now. Likewise, in this to section, I am gonna select USDT. That is it, guys. Once you've done that, simply enter the amount right here, and likewise just hit on preview. That is it, guys. As you can see, one ETH is converted to this much USDT. Once everything is okay with you, simply click on confirm and just follow along the prompts. And guys, that is it. That's how we convert ETH to USDT in Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.